On the Siemens Support Center, both the new Siemens licensed server and the legacy Siemens PLM licensing are available for download. This may be a source of confusion. Make sure you select the Siemens licensed server in order to get the latest. The link to the latest release will appear in the pretty blue box. When you get to the downloads, you will see a lot of choices for both Windows and Linux. The FlexNet drivers for Mentor graphics applications, the Sentinel dongle driver, the host ID utilities. This includes the getCID utility used to find the composite ID required for license files, and the Siemens License Server Installer. This is the one you need to download in order to install the server itself. There are a number of different options and scenarios for installing the SLS. The NX2206 and 2212 installer is started with launch.exe. The button Obtain Siemens License Server takes the customer to the Siemens License Server Product Center to download the latest version. The SLS is not included in the NX download or that of any other product. Run the installer as administrator. The installer will uninstall or update any existing license server. The existing license file from the PLM license server install is used in the new server. The license ports have changed. The new default port numbers for the SLS are 29,000 for the communications port and 29,001 for the daemon port. These port numbers will be used for all licensed files on the server. You have the option to select advanced settings and edit the port numbers if desired.